Welcome to a next-generation biopharmaceutical facility where advanced science meets controlled industrial precision. Every section of this factory is designed to meet the highest research-grade pharmaceutical standards.
Here, scorpions are raised industrially under strictly monitored environmental conditions.
Only fully mature scorpions with stable biological profiles are considered for extraction.
Artificial intelligence continuously evaluates growth data and biological readiness.
Once approved, specimens enter a tightly regulated pharmaceutical workflow. Automation ensures accurate selection while minimizing biological stress.
Each scorpion is transported individually to prevent cross-contamination.
The cleaning process removes all surface particles using pharmaceutical-grade water.
Water purity is controlled down to the microscopic level. Gentle drying and sterilization eliminate remaining microorganisms. Computer vision detects even the smallest surface irregularities. Only flawless specimens proceed further in the process. This marks the transition from preparation to extraction. Venom extraction is performed using controlled, non-destructive microstimulation. Each droplet is captured with absolute precision. Immediate stabilization preserves molecular integrity. Every vial remains fully traceable throughout production. Purification begins inside a controlled biochemical environment. Filtration separates targeted compounds from unwanted proteins. Only specific molecular structures are allowed to pass.
Continuous testing ensures consistency and safety.
Spectral analysis confirms molecular stability. Environmental balance prevents degradation. Only high-purity extracts are approved. Venom activity is carefully modulated for research use. This step transforms raw venom into a controlled compound. Human contact is completely eliminated. Stability is preserved until formulation.
Automated analysis is verified by human expertise.
Data is benchmarked internationally.
Only approved extracts advance further.
The uniformity looks excellent.
Batch consistency is within specification. We are ready for large-scale production.
Security protects compound integrity.
This is where formulation begins. Capsule shells are produced independently. Each capsule receives an identical dose. Precision is measured in micrograms.
Sealing prevents oxidation and contamination.
Defects are detected instantly. Zero tolerance for error. Final sterilization ensures safety. Every capsule is fully traceable.
Packaging protects stability during transport.
Capsules are tested beyond real-world limits.
Only stable formulations pass.
Production flows without interruption. Final visual confirmation remains essential.
The batch is now cleared for distribution.
Products await controlled distribution. Logistics follows strict medical protocols. Environmental control continues beyond the factory. Research capsules travel worldwide.
Distribution is limited to licensed institutions.
Authentication prevents misuse. Citrus.
Clinical use follows regulatory frameworks.
Research continues long after production.
Knowledge is shared internationally.
Small capsules contain complex science. This is precision biomanufacturing. Sustainability remains a priority.
Decisions are driven by data, not claims.
Nature meets technology at the molecular level. Innovation never truly stops.
Each batch builds on years of knowledge.
These capsules support research, not miracles.
The sequence is stabilizing.
And the cardiac tissue response is strong.
Collaboration shapes the future of medicine.
Precision defines every cycle. Controlled release ensures predictability. Failure is not an option. Progress is measured carefully. Every cycle begins anew.
Ethical farming supports future research.
Another production day concludes. Simple in form, complex in design. Science speaks through evidence.
Responsibility defines innovation.
Distribution follows regulation. Nothing here is accidental. From Venom to controlled research compound. The future is engineered carefully. Innovation continues beyond the camera.
Thank you for exploring precision biomanufacturing.
Science never truly rests.
This is how experimental medicine is built.